Okay, so let's look at these words then. So aberration, 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 accumulate, accumulate, and amphibian, amphibian, amphibian. So aberration, noun, to go away from what is normal or expected, to do something strange. That's an aberration. That was an aberration. Doesn't happen very often. The show was an aberration, unlike last year. It was weird, strange. It was not like last year. It was unlike last year. Accumulate, verb. To gather more or get an increasing amount of something. Accumulate more wealth. Yeah. We want to accumulate wealth. I want to accumulate viewers, accumulate subscribers, accumulate money, and beyond. Anything you want to get. Accumulate more suspenders. Accumulate more degrees. Accumulate more intelligence. Get more of something. Oops, what happened here? Here we are. An amphibian, noun. Small animals that live on both land and in fresh water. So fresh water equals without salt. Water without salt in it. So rivers. Right, rivers, for example. Lakes. Lakes or ponds, for example. So frogs are amphibians. They can live on land and underwater. Amphibians. Newts. Toads. Yeah, amphibians. Yeah. Amphibian. Accumulate. Aberration. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.